Hey guys, welcome back to E15 Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Siemens Dishwasher error code E15. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, the first thing that we want to do here is we first need to understand what this error code that we are getting right now. Now, by the way, it is officially from the Siemens official webpage here, which in this case, they actually describe here what the error code actually means. So, the E15 indicates that the water has accumulated in the basepan of the dishwasher, which in this case, it's going to flood your floor tub here, which in this case will cause the E15 error. Now, as a result, the dishwasher is continuously running its drain pump and without performing any other functions. Now, what are the common causes of this issue? So, well, one of them is a clogged drain. Another one is excessive suds causing the tub to overflow, leading water to enter the base pan at the bottom here. Now, in this case, what are fixes that you might want to do here, which is a quick fixes that you do. So, first is you might want to uninstall the dishwasher. So, you'll need to pull the dishwasher out from its place. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and tilt your dishwasher here forward 45-degree angle to allow the water or from the basepan to actually drain out. Now, in this case, you might want to also use a towel or some towels here and place the towel under it to absorb the water that comes out and prevent a mess on the floor. Now, also, you need to test the fix here. So you need to install the dishwasher, and once the basepan is empty, so make sure it's actually empty here, and you want to go ahead and pour about a gallon of water into the tub. And if the dishwasher drains immediately and doesn't attempt to wash or refill, some water is still left in the basepan, and you may need to repeat the process itself. Again, you might want to also check for some clogs on your basepan here. And also, if you have time and prefer a less hands-on approach here, leave the dishwasher unused for a week. The water on the basepan will gradually evaporate and the dishwasher should resume normal function after that time. So if none of those actually works, it means that there is some deeper problem on your dishwasher, and you might want to reach out to in this case someone that actually knows how to fix it. Like, for example, you might want to hire a professional or even contact the official customer helpline for Siemens home appliances. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to E15 Inspo. Thank you for watching.